In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict client visibility in Goodday. When you're working with clients inside your project management workspace, it's really important that they only see what they're supposed to see. Goodday lets you control this by assigning the right role when you invite them. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the full process, step by step, so you can safely bring clients into your environment without exposing internal information. Start by opening Goodday and looking at the lower left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile name. Go ahead and click your profile name to open your account options. This takes you to your account area where you can manage users, including any clients you want to invite. On this page, look for the option labeled Invite to Goodday. Click on that. This is the starting point for adding a new client or any external collaborator. It opens a form where you'll enter their basic information and define how they'll interact with your workspace. Now you'll see a form where you can fill in your client's details, add their name and email address, and any other required fields your workspace might be using. Take a moment here to double check the email address, because this is where their invitation will be sent. You don't need to worry about visibility just yet. That will be handled through the role you choose in the next steps. Once the basic details are in, look for the section labeled Role. Role. You'll usually see a default role selected, but for clients, you don't want them to have full internal access. Click on the current role and then choose the guest option from the drop-down. Guest roles are designed for external users like clients, with restricted access compared to regular team members. After selecting guest, you may see several guest role variations, depending on how your organization has configured Goodday. Select the specific guest role that best matches the level of visibility you want your client to have. For example, you might have a role that only allows access to certain projects or views. This is the key step that controls what your client can see and do in the system. When you're satisfied with the details and the role selection, scroll down and click on Submit. This sends the invitation to your client with the restricted permissions you just set. Once they accept, they'll join your Goodday workspace with limited controlled visibility, keeping your internal work safe while still allowing them to collaborate.